All right, peace and blessings to the family. Love and light is your brother, Omni Almanashi, also known as Omni Omnis, aka the Nature God family. This is Black News 720, Omnivision EDU, historical and scientific literacy for Native and Indigenous peoples family. For public speaking, lectures, live events, hit me up, omnisnatur360@gmail.com. To show your support for more content, feel free to make a generous donation to PayPal, Lacey Jones 01 or omnisnatur, $OMNISNATURA 360 LLC family. Today's topic is the concept of race exposed, meaning there is no such thing as race scientifically. Instead, organisms are grouped together by species and taxonomic ranking. Species definition, Oxford Dictionary, a group of living organisms consisting of similar individuals capable of exchanging genes or interbreeding. In biological taxonomy, taxonomic rank is the relative or absolute level of a group of organisms in hierarchy that reflects evolutionary relationships. Wikipedia.org. Race is a term we use to refer to the phenotypical traits in humans, such as blonde hair and blue eyes, or brown hair and brown eyes. Willem Johansen was a Danish pharmacist, botanist, plant physiologist, and geneticist. He is best known for coining the term gene phenotype and genotype, published in his book in 1909, Elemente der Exarten, and for his 1903 Pure Line experiment. In a broad sense, the term genotype refers to the genetic makeup of an organism. Phenotype, Oxford Dictionary, the set of observable characteristics of an individual resulting from the interaction of its genotype with the environment. In layman terms, genotype, genetic construction, phenotype, physical expression. Long story longer, no species has a race.
Give me one thing that white people and black people have different biologically.
Don't change the question of this, like DNA-wise, we are different.
No, we're not. That's a lie. It has been disproven. Front page of National Geographic 6 months ago. Racism created by society. If you look at DNA independently in a science laboratory, they cannot distinguish between a black person or a white person if they look at just the DNA, because the only difference is the melanin. It has been disproven. Race is a social construct.
How ethnicity affects rare blood types. Blood.co.uk. Your blood type is inherited from your parents, the same as hair color and eye color. This means you are more likely to share the same blood type or subtype as someone from the same ethnic background. For example, RO is a rare subtype, but it's 10 times more common in people of black heritage. Growing demand for RO subtype is one of the reasons we need more donors of African descent. What is RO? By blood.co.uk. RO is part of the RH group, which is under the control of two genes, RHD and RHCE. These control the mix of RH antigens, protein markers on red blood cells, and give rise to 8 potential combinations, one of which is DCE, referred to as RO. Who has the RO subtype? RO is more than 10 times more common in individuals from black, African, or black Caribbean ancestry. Duffy negative blood is a rare blood group characterized by the absence of Duffy antigens on the surface of red blood cells. According to National Library of Medicine, absolute neutrophil count by Duffy status among healthy blacks and African American adults. Many people of African ancestry have lower absolute neutrophil counts, ANCs, without increased risk of infection. This is associated with the Duffy neurophenotype, non-expression of the Duffy antigen on red blood cells, which is commonly found in those of African descent. The aim of this study was to assess the impact of Duffy status on ANCs based on complete blood counts with differential of Duffy testing in a healthy population of self-identified Black individuals at a single primary care center. This study found that 66.7%, 80 of 120 of Black individuals have Duffy null phenotype and genotype.